So, how's that? That's a little bit of like a mini travel video around here in Vancouver because it's been a while since we go somewhere different. And the reason that I'm still here talking to you right now instead of just ending it is that I just want to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. We finally hit it. It's almost 1 year since I made my first published YouTube video. Not sure when is the last time, but yeah, it's one. And it's almost a year and we just hit 1,000 subscribers right now. Actually, we hit it, I think it was like Tuesday or Wednesday. And I just want to say thank you for everyone who subscribed. Thank you for you guys who still watch until the end. And definitely we still have a long way to go. It's still like 1,000 in a year. Imagine like when we will gonna hit like 10 or even 100k, but that's a vanity metrics, right? But other than that, thank you for making it happen. Thank you for you who subscribe, who watch it, who join me in this journey. Definitely still a long way to go, and I hope that we can walk that path together and we can grow together. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you want anything from my channel, if you want to watch anything or want me to cover anything. In the meantime, that's it. Make sure to hit the like if you enjoyed this video. Comment below as I mentioned before. Really guys, thank you so much for coming and joining me in this journey and believing in me. That's from me right now, I guess. That's all, and I guess I'll see you guys next Saturday. Take care.